Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to look at memories on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done updating your Snapchat app, what you're going to do now is simply click on Open. And then, before we start, I will explain to you first what is Memories on Snapchat. So, Memories on Snapchat is basically where you can see your previous snaps, videos, or pictures that you have saved or sent using the Snapchat app. And then, let's begin. So, you just simply swipe up like this one, so swipe up, and then as you can see, the memories section will appear. So again, you may see your snaps, your stories, your camera roll, also your my eyes only. So you just discover whichever you want. So if you click on snaps, you may be able to see the snaps that you have created before, as well as your created stories before. And then if you click on camera roll, you may be able to see your camera roll right here. And if you click on my eyes only, these are the section wherein you can put your pictures or your video in private mode. So as you can see, there is an option in which you have to input your passcode, because basically this one is a private section. So again, to see your memories, you just simply swipe up of your screen and then you may be able to see memories. So that's it. That's how you can look at memories on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.